In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Avalanche's future while examining Avax cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, how about we head into it? What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a general stage for sending off decentralized finance applications, monetary resources, exchanging and different administrations. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other state-of-the-art innovation. Group behind the venture is Avalanche, and engineers at Avalanche guarantee that Torrential Slide is the principal savvy contracts organization to offer exchange conclusion in less than 1 second as standard. Avax sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside Torrential Slide and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide is the main brilliant agreement stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the sum of the Ethereum improvement tool compartment, and empowers a great many free validators to take part as full block makers, as well as supporting exchange conclusiveness under 1 second. Torrential Slide is equipped for throughput significant degrees more prominent than existing decentralized blockchain networks and security limits well over the 51% principles of different organizations. Torrential Slide value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 11/11 1.71% $18992022 1112 plus 1.56% $1962 2022 1113 plus 0.94% $1950 2022 1114 plus 0.49% $1942 2022 1115 2.83% $1878 2022 1116 plus 0.91% $1950 2022 1117 1.75% $1898 2022 1118 plus 0.75% $1947 2022 1119 plus 0.50% $1942 2022 1120 1.97% $1894 2022 1121 2.34% $18.87 Torrential Slide coin value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 25.36% $14.42 2023 Jan. 32.31% $13.08 2023 Feb. 30.00% $13.52 2023 Blemish. 24.88% $14.51 2023 April. 15.15% $16.40 2023 May. 9.87% $17.41 2023 June. 7.07% $17.96 2023 Joel. 6.43% $18.08 2023 All. plus 1.28% $19.57 2023 set, plus 3.38% $19.98 2023 OC, plus 11.56% $21.56 2023 NA, plus 16.40% $22.49 AVAX value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees AVAX coming to $39.42 in 2025. What will AVAX be worth in 5 years? The cost of a VAX in 5 years could lie around $34.41. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees torrential slide coming to $98.54 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees torrential slide coming to $197.08 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could torrential slide reach $100? Indeed, torrential slide could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Will torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise venture? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $11.25. In the long haul, it could leap to $98.54 or significantly higher. For what reason will torrential slide succeed and become more expensive? Torrential slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees torrential slide ascending to $98.54 in 2030. For what reason will torrential slide fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of all-around planned advertising system. Losing local area support. Likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will torrential slide go? Our estimating model sees torrential slide value detonating and coming to $197.08